Page 140, you're a grand old flag. C major, 4/4 time, is similar to what we had before. It's all melody, you're sharing it between the hands, so make it sound like one hand plays it all. So you got to balance the hands out pretty well. Watch the phrasing. Just a little lift up, so a little silence between the phrases. This rhythm, 4/4 time, you have a 2-beat pickup. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Just take it really, really slowly, and you can. There's nothing tricky about the rhythm if you just count it out. If you're struggling with the rhythm, I suggest you go back through this book again, because it means you're going probably a little too fast. I don't have a lot to point out here. Over on page 141, there's some accidentals. So you can do those, I think. Look at the third line down. The last measure, you're here, and then here, 2, 3, and then here. You can use 2 on the C sharp there in the 4th line. If you don't want to use the thumb, you just bring the 2nd finger. And then in the last line here, if you don't want to use the thumb and the left hand on the C sharp, use 2nd finger. It's all right. Just make sure your 2nd finger on the B in the next measure. Let's try this out slowly. I don't have a lot to say on it. It's pretty straightforward. Dynamic wise, it's basically loud. But you can come down a little bit. You can feel it. After you get to know it, feel the music, and you'll feel when maybe you can come down. It gets a little softer sometimes. So I'm going to give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. So middle C position again. There we go. Ready, go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2. 1, 2. 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, tie, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, off. Now I'd like to do the duet with you. I'll do the teacher accompaniment part and you do your part. But again, because we're in each other's way, I'm going to need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C goes up here and play it all up here. Here. Like so. And I want to speed this way up, closer to how fast it would go, because this is a spirited piece, and normally I think you'd find it in cut time. So again, I'm going to I put the metronome on half notes. So it's beating 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'd go like this. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It can go a lot faster than that. So let's take it at that speed and see what we got. I'm going to give us 3 half notes. 1 and ready and go and. Like so. And then we'll play it together. Now I don't play the first, when you play the first 2 notes, I don't play on that part. I will go ahead and try and play something. I can play them down here. to help you get going, if that'll help. But normally I wouldn't play. I wouldn't play until you played the half note. But I'll play along with you. It's fine. 1 and ready and go and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.